It's just weeks away from Christmas now, and of course this time of year it's naturally quieter in the garden, but there's still things you can do. You can think about your garden over the winter period, have a little review. What worked well in your garden this year? What didn't work well? What would you want more of? What do you want less of? Do you want to actually transfer things, move things? Do you want bigger beds and borders? Spend winter time thinking about what you'd like to change for the following year. And also think about the power of evergreens. You can see some fantastic palms behind me. They give structure all the way through the winter, in fact, all the way through the year. So you're not just looking at bare twigs, you've actually got something to enjoy on those deep, dark days. And you know what? In the background, I can hear our feathered friends. Don't forget about those over the winter time. Give them some nice fresh feed and also a good fresh water supply. Make sure it doesn't freeze. Look after the little birds. So there are things that you can be thinking about and still getting on with even at this time of year. And also, don't forget about your gardening tools. Look after them during the winter. Make sure you sharpen the blades. Make sure you change the oil. Make sure you keep them nice and clean and ready for next year. Service them yourself or get them done professionally. And if you're looking for some easily wrappable gifts for the gardener in your life, we've got two great cordless options for you right here. We've got the hedge and grass trimming kit. I've used it myself and it's absolutely brilliant. Or the pruner as well, that makes really lightweight work of some quite heavy jobs. But most importantly of all, I just want to wish you a very Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, and keep enjoying your gardening.